In this video, we'll be solving a question on differentiation of trigonometric function. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. We are given two questions here to solve, and they are all on trigonometric functions. Solution. The first one, if y is equal to sine 3x squared minus 1, we can say let u be equal to 3x squared minus 1 and y is equal to sine u to make it easier to compute. So what we are doing is what is called the function of a function method of differentiation, which will now bring us to our differential part to be the y all over the x is equal to the y all over the u multiplied by the u all over the x. So this is how our final answer will look like. Then we come over here. The u all over the x, what is it? We differentiate the whole of this. It will now give us 3 multiplied by 2 x 2 minus 1 minus, if we differentiate 1, which is a constant, we get 0. So we have this, which is equal to 6x. Also, the y all over the u is equal to this, which is cos u. If you differentiate sine, you get cos. So the y all over the x is equal to, like I've written here, the y all over the u multiplied by the u all over the x. It's still the same thing as the y all over the u, which is cos u, multiplied by the u all over the x, the u all over the x, which is 6x, 6x. So, but we know that but u is equal to 3x squared minus 1. So it then means that we can write this as our dy all over the x to be equal to 6x cos 3x squared minus 1. So this becomes our answer to that first question. So this is our question 1, solution 1. We come over to solution 2. We have a question here, which is y to be equal to x sine x. If you watch out, we'll see that there are two functions here. The first one is this, and another one is this. So we can take this as our u and take this as our v. There is something called the product rule, and the product rule states that you can write it as u dv all over the x plus v du all over the x. So we can put it that way. The y all over the x is equal to, this is the y all over the x, that is the y all over the x. So it's equal to u. We can bring down u is x multiplied by dv all over the x. Dv all over the x, we differentiate sine x. We differentiate sine x, we get cos x. Cos x. We'll bring down our positive sign. Then v, we bring down v. V is sine x. We'll now differentiate the u all over the x. The u all over the x. If we differentiate this, we'll get 1. So it then means that the y all over the x is equal to x cos x plus sine x. So this is our final answer to those questions given. So this is how to compute questions on trigonometric function. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel